Ever found yourself desperate to recover a deleted tweet? Maybe it was a meme, a hot take, or a crucial update that suddenly disappeared. Whatever the reason, today we'll show you some practical and ethical ways to dig up those deleted tweets. So, what are your options? Here are a few methods that might help you find those missing tweets. Wayback Machine. The Wayback Machine from Internet Archive is a lifesaver for finding old content. Head to archive.org, type in the profile URL, and pick a date before the tweet was deleted. This method may take some patience, especially for active accounts, but it's reliable if the tweet was archived. Google Cache. Sometimes Google saves a snapshot of Twitter profiles, so type the Twitter handle in Google search bar, then click Cached if it shows up. Remember, Google's cache updates regularly, so this trick works best for recently deleted tweets. Your Twitter archive. Want to retrieve your own deleted tweets? Head to Settings and Privacy in your Twitter account, request an archive of your data, and wait for the download. Once ready, the archive will include your entire tweet history, even the deleted ones. Third-party sites. There are sites out there that claim to recover deleted tweets, but be cautious. Not all are reliable, and some don't treat your data with the care it deserves. Stick with trusted methods when possible. And there you have it, a few solid ways to track down deleted tweets without overstepping boundaries. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more.